Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recharge your AT&T Prepaid mobile online. So first you're going to come to AT&T Prepaid. Okay, you can search this up on Google, and then you need to basically sign in to your account. You need to enter your login credential, 10-digit wireless number, your password, and just click on sign in. Okay, and then once you do that, you want to select make a payment. You need to go ahead and choose a credit card, debit card, or checking account, then just select pay. Okay, you want to enter the amount you want to pay and just select continue. Just follow the prompts, and then you can complete your payment. And if you have not set up an account yet, you'll have the option to add, payment details. So if it's a credit card or debit card, you just need to enter your, debit or credit card number, expiration date, CVV code, and if prompted, you need to enter your zip code. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.